So you've got your JL, and that is awesome. They are really, really fantastic Jeeps. And you might call us and you'll say, hey, JcrOffroad, what is the first modification I should make to my brand new Wrangler JL? And we're going to tell you, across the board, rock sliders. Even if you have the Ruby rails, especially if you have the Sahara rails, those actually mount with plastic mounts. What the heck? Our sliders are going to be an awesome, awesome upgrade. And the reason that is because they attach to the frame and they attach to the body. They have a step that you can use obviously to get in the Jeep a little easier, but that step also protects the side of your Jeep. So as you rub around rocks or trees, it keeps your Jeep off from those rocks or trees, keeps your door handles out of that. It's going to be a great upgrade for your Jeep. They're the easiest thing to install. They're super easy. And to prove that, we're going to make Cameron do it. So Cameron's a graphic designer and video guy here at JcrOffroad. He has about this much technical experience. He told me earlier this morning that he installed struts on a Ford Focus once, but I really don't believe it. So Cameron's going to do this whole installation video for you, and that means that I have to be the one behind the camera. But it can't be that hard. So I'm just going to take care of the camera duties while Cameron takes care of my usual job. So that's pretty great. Let's flip this around here. Oh, hey Cameron, how's it going there?
Oh, pretty good.
Okay, so let's move some lights here. There's a light. This is mostly Cameron's job, just holding onto a camera and moving lights around.
Pretty tough.
Pretty tough. Oh, how's it going there, Cameron?
Not bad.
All right, so the first thing Cameron's gonna do is remove these bolts that go up through the bottom of the tub. There's 3 of them on each side. Cameron, what size socket are you using there?
I think it's a 1/2 inch.
It's a 1/2 inch. Those bolts are metric technically. Let me see. That's 13 millimeter. That's not 1/2 inch.
Well, I thought this was America.
Well, technically this Jeep is made by Fiat, so that's why they're using metric fasteners. Yeah, send your hate mail to wambulance@jcr.us for the Fiat comment, or you can send it to Cameron too.
Please don't.
It's his fault. All right, the next step is you're gonna pull these side bolts that go through the pinch seam. I think they're probably 10 millimeter. Hopefully Cameron's using a 10 millimeter on there.
Yep.
And there's 6 of them. They're right there on the pinch weld. So 6. Is this part harder or easier than those struts that you replaced?
Much easier.
Such a liar.
I did it. It took me about 3 months, but I did it.
Where is that car now?
In the junkyard, I think.
Because of the strut replacement?
Maybe.
So once you get the last bolt out, you might want to be careful because the sliders will probably fall on your face.
I'll tighten my abs.
You're pulling these bolts right here. Oh, you already got this one, it looks like. Here's one I prepared earlier.
I didn't, but that's interesting.
Let me get out of your way. All right, so once you got all those bolts off, they should come off pretty easy there.
Okay. Could you grab this?
No, you're doing fine. People ask us if we make sliders that bolt on with the Rubicon rails that kind of bolt over them, and we don't, solely because then you just have that dead weight on the side of your vehicle. And if you like how they kind of cover up that pinch weld right there, just paint it. Just put some tape right on the bottom edge right here. Put some black paint on before you put your sliders on, and it will look fantastic, and you'll save quite a bit of weight. There's no benefit to leaving the Ruby rails on at all. They're just dead weight. So, all right, so the next step is you're going to want to remove the 3 body mount bolts per side. Do that with an 18 millimeter socket, and they're going to come down, and then you're going to have to kind of pull on them as you pull them down the rest of the way. They're pretty long. Go ahead, Cameron. All right, then you're going to want to grab a friend or a jack. No friends?
No friends.
And this will just make your life a lot easier to place the JCR slider in there. So Cameron's gonna grab this big, beefy, new JCR Classic slider. Hopefully balance it on the jack. Maybe.
Hopefully.
Is this silence awkward for you?
For me?
Yeah.
No, it's probably more awkward for you.
Wow. Once you get close-ish or whatever, you can grab one of the button head bolts and a washer and a nut, and you can drop it on the floor, and you can grab another washer, and you can give those to Cameron. Here you go, fine, sir. And you can just loosely go through the pinch seam there. And you can just put that on real loose, and you can grab another one and go on the front of the pinch weld. And then you're going to want to take the body mount bolts that you pulled earlier and loosely put those in. Just everything loose right now. So Cameron, before you were here, you want to know a JCR fun fact?
Sure.
The JK Classic Slider video was the first install video that we did.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
How'd it go?
It was okay. I was learning, so it was mostly out of focus and the audio was terrible. Just like most of this video, probably. So once Cameron finishes loosely installing all three of the body mount bolts, just to make sure that everything is aligned okay, he's going to go ahead and put the rest of the pinch weld bolts in, the button head pinch weld bolts. All right, once you get those 6 pinch seam bolts loosely installed, you can go ahead and pull your jack.
You're rid of my friend.
Tell your friend goodbye. Then you can use a 3/16 hex and a 1/2-inch end wrench to
That's a 13.
shut up, I couldn't find the 1/2 inch. It's fine. To tighten up those side bolts. So you want to tighten up all the pinch weld bolts first. You can use that.
Please tighten.
You can use that hex that I handed you.
Oh, is that what that's for?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I have to use it.
We're just trying to get away from not using it.
Oh yeah.
Here, let me help you. Hey friend.
I'm not used to having friends.
It's a real touching moment for you.
It means so much to me.
All right, so after you've got those side ones tight, are those all tight?
Yep.
Cameron tight or
I think they're tight.
Normal tight? Go ahead and tighten down those 3 body mount bolts with that 18 millimeter from before. That's it. Go ahead and do the other side, and your JCR Classic sliders are completely installed. See how easy that was? Even a Cameron can do it. Anyways, hey, why don't you take this and just go edit this video now. Thanks. Bye, everyone.